Hello viewers, welcome back to Yarnoman's channel. Today I am going to do my yarn review. You all would be knowing I have purchased some yarns from Pradhan Embroideries couple of weeks before. So I would like to do a yarn review on those yarns. Before proceeding to the tutorial or this video, if you are new to my channel, I appreciate if you can subscribe, share and comment and like my videos. It will be really encouraging me. So now let me start with my yarn review. So I am starting with this green color yarn. This is Gulera Softy 3-ply yarn. This is Anchor mercerized knitting cotton yarn. It is a 4-ply yarn, and it is Lara knitting cotton yarn. It is again a 4-ply yarn. So I am starting with my 3-ply yarn. So this is the first time I am using a 3-ply yarn, and that too in cotton. This Gulera Softy 3-ply yarn is literally so awesome. I really liked this yarn very much. It's really very soft, that it's so lightweight, and it comes in hangs. Okay, I haven't unraveled it. It comes in hangs. It pretty much appears like this, and it is again a 3-ply yarn. Now if I speak about the length, it comes around 300 meters or so. Okay, so some 275 to 300 meters should be its length or yardage. In terms of yarns, it is called yardage. It has 6 strands. Okay, when we unravel it, it has, this is the edge of the end of the yarn. When we unravel it, we can find there are 6 strands for this yarn, and the price of this yarn is 75 rupees in its site for 100 grams when I purchased it. The hook size mentioned for this yarn is around 2.75 to 3.25 mm. Okay, you can use from the hook size of 2.75 mm, and it can go up to the number 3.25 mm. So I think I can use 3.5 mm because I don't have 3.25 mm, as well as I really don't have 2.75 mm. So probably from 2.5 till 3.5. I am not sure if this yarn will support higher hooks, but I do believe if I am using higher hooks, it gives a lacy feeling. Okay, lazy in the sense it is not L-A-Z-Y, L-A-Z-Y, it is L-A-C-Y, lace pattern. Okay, so maybe if I am using higher hooks, maybe 5 mm or something like that. Yeah, I have told you it is very soft and lightweight, and so it can be used for summer dresses. Okay viewers, it can be really used for summer dresses, and this is the first time I am getting some yarn of this type in India. I have often seen lots of tutorials in the internet which uses which shows the patterns, and which also says which also says that it is a summer pattern tutorial, but I hardly ever came across any yarn in India which would really support for summer. So I have tried with thick mercerized yarns, but I wasn't really happy with that, because when I tried wearing it, it was so heavy on my body, and I literally didn't like wearing it. But now this is the first time I have come across such a lightweight cotton yarn, and I am really a great fan of cotton yarn, and you all would be knowing it. And my skin also supports cotton yarn very much, not with any other types of polyester or any other type of dresses also. So this is the first time I am coming across such a yarn, and I really recommend you all to buy this yarn, because for Indian climate, being sunny all the year around, this will be suitable for us, especially for babies. When you are planning to crochet baby dresses, this yarn choice is a great addition to your crochet work. So I do recommend this yarn. for those breathable type of crochet work, especially in the form of dresses. But in the site it is mentioned that we can do home decor also till wearables. I haven't tried any as so far anything with home decor with this yarn. Okay, so if I ever come across making such a home decor, I will definitely do a tutorial on that also. But as a so far I have made up my mind that I should at least do one dress pattern, but I haven't started designing on it. So then what else can I add to it is, like, yeah, as I told you, it comes in hangs, so you have to definitely make a ball out of this hang, and then it will be easy for you to work, because one of the hangs I just unraveled and it was so long, so lengthy, so I definitely would have to make a ball out of it before I start working with this Gulera Softwear 3-ply yarn. So I really give a very big thumbs up for this Gulera Softwear 3-ply yarn, and I am so happy that I could find it in Indian online store. So I really recommend you all to give a try for this Gulera 3-ply Gulera Softy 3-ply yarn. And viewers, see here it is giving some different shade, and when I keep it away, a little bit away from the camera, it is giving some different color. It is pista green, kind of pista green color. Okay, I really like this pastel color yarn. So now I am going to do a review about this 4-ply yarn. This is Anchor Knitting mercerized cotton yarn. So 4-ply yarn, it's a bit thicker than this 3-ply yarn. Okay, and again here it is price is around 100 rupees when I bought it from the stores, Pradhan embroidery stores, and the length is, it shows 50 grams. So because it is a bit thicker, the length should be around and 50 grams, it should be around 110 meters or something like that. I'm not exactly sure about its length, but I assume because it is thicker, it will be a little, the length should be a bit less, and 50 grams, the length should be a bit lesser compared to this 100 grams of yarn. Okay, and now the price, as I told you, it is 100 rupees when I bought it from the store. Then the hook size, I can say, is it is 2.75 till 3.25, and again there's a 2.75 mm hook and 3.25 hook is not at all there with me, so I might use 2.5 to 3.5 mm, or a bit say next level, I can size up the hook to 4 mm. If at all, again here in this case also, if at all I can use any higher number of hook, or size up the hook to a much more higher number, then I will definitely make a tutorial out of it just to show the difference. So this is one such bright color I liked in this purchase from Pradhan Embroideries, and it also feels softer. But not soft like this one, not as soft as like this Gulera Softy 3-ply yarn. So this is about my review of Anchor Knitting mercerized cotton yarn, which is a 4-ply yarn. Now coming to this Laura Knitting cotton yarn, this I have purchased before from Pradhan Embroideries when I was in UK, and it is such a stiff yarn. Okay, it is called, see if I can show you this picture, the name something, it's so hidden here. So if you can see that knitting, yes, the name is Laura Knitting yarn. It is also a cotton yarn. Okay, so it is also a 4-ply yarn, and I bought it for 70 rupees from Pradhan Embroidery stores. The hook size is mentioning as 3.5 mm till 4 mm, but based upon this thickness, I believe it can withstand till 5 mm of hook. Okay, and if I remember well, when I was doing a project in UK or long time back, I did a project, that basket with one such yarn. I think I have used 5 mm crochet hook, definitely 4.5 or 5 mm, I really don't recall, but I do believe it can withstand 5 mm crochet hook. And I have made one small dress for my baby when she was very small. I tried one dress making with this yarn, but this yarn will support lacy patterns. Okay, this yarn will support lacy patterns which have lots of chains and in between the work, so which is so airy, and that gives a breathable dress for the baby. But it is really good to make, if the stitches are together or tight stitches, it really will give a thick, what you say, you can make coasters out of it. So this, I suggest this yarn for making coasters, or yeah, if you want to make any curtains out of it, which should, you feel like it should hide the view, then I prefer this yarn, though I haven't tried. Then what else can I say? Garments, yeah, yes, I have told about the garments. Then I definitely believe it can work for containers, wall hangings, coasters, curtains, etc. So dress, if you want to make dress, then I would suggest you should go for lacy pattern. Otherwise, the thickness compared to these, even though this is also 4-ply and this is also 4-ply, the thickness between these two is different, and it is a bit hard also compared to this. And definitely when I compare this yarn with my Gulera Softy 3-ply yarn, making dress out of it for summer, maybe not apt for babies. Okay, other than you go for a lacy pattern. Okay, please keep it in mind. If you're going for a lacy pattern, then obviously this should be also okay for you. Otherwise, if you're making any dresses, then it should suit winters. Anyway, winters are not that harsh in India. I am not sure about the north, maybe Delhi, Kashmir there. I don't know whether it will withstand that type of winter. But here in the south, down south, it is like, when it is monsoon season or December, Jan season, then this type of yarn will definitely retain the heat in our body, and it will be cozy. So if at all you want to make dresses which is suitable for winters in the north, then I would prefer the stitches should be so tight, like double crochet stitches, or half double crochet stitches, something like that, where you don't have any gaps in between the stitches. So maybe it will support that. I am not quite sure about it. Okay viewers, so this is my yarn review about the purchase which I recently did with Pradhan Embroideries. I once again thank Pradhan Embroideries for giving doing this appropriate shipment on time shipment. So I hope this video have been useful to everyone. It has been really informative. So anyone who is planning to buy some yarns from Pradhan Embroidery Stores, please do go ahead and buy these type of yarns. It will be really a great addition to your crochet world. So until then, it's bye from Yarnomance. Please subscribe, share, and like and comment. As always, you do keep on supporting. Please do in future also. Until then, it is bye from Yarnomance. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed, and happy crocheting. See you soon in my next tutorial.